Now we are moving on to the next question, that is question number 14, and we have to write the floral formula for actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous flower with 5 united sepals, 5 free petals, 5 free stamens and 2 united carpels with superior ovary and axile placentation. So to write any floral formula for any of the family, we have to remember what are the formulas assigned to these particular terms such as actinomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous, etc. Right? Now, if we talk about the first one, that is actinomorphic, let's talk about the symbols which are representing all these terms. First of all, if we talk about the actinomorphic, then it is represented as this, right? Actinomorphic condition of a flower is represented by the symbol I have just made. Then the next thing, that is bisexual flower. Bisexuality of flower is represented by this kind of symbol. Then hypogynous flower. Hypogynous flower means the ovary is superior. The ovary is present at the highest position with respect to other floral appendages or parts of a flower, right? So this is a hypogynous condition of a flower, or the ovary is superior, right? And in the floral formula, whenever the ovary is superior or in hypogynous condition, we will underline G. We will underline G. That means the ovary is superior or the condition of ovary is hypogynous. Then the 5 united sepals. Sepals are also termed as calyx, right? Which is known as K. And we have 5 united calyx or sepals. That means they are represented as 5 in bracket. Then we have 5 free petals. Petals are also known as corolla, which is represented by C, capital C, and they are not fused with each other, they are free. So we are not going to make brackets on 5 of petal or corolla. Then we have 5 free stamens. Stamens are always represented as A because they are also known as androecium in case of flowering plants. So we have 5 free stamens, right? A, 5. Then we have 2 united carpels. That means the ovaries are 2 in number. That means the carpels are also denoted by G, and the G is underlined because the ovary is hypogynous. The carpels are 2 in number and are united. The carpels are 2 in number and are united, which is represented as 2 in bracket along with the axile placentation. So now we are able to write the floral formula. Floral formula. Right. So first of all, we are going to take this actinomorphic. Actinomorphic is represented as this. Then we have bisexual condition, which is represented as this. Then we have hypogynous flower. We are not going to write this condition first of all, just right after the bisexuality of a flower. We'll take calyx, corolla, androecium, and then we'll talk about the gynoecium in a floral formula. So let's talk about first of all these things, that is sepal. Sepal is also represented as K, capital K. So we have capital K, which are 5 in number. Right, 5 in number. Calyx or sepals are 5 in number, which are united, So we'll make bracket over this 5. Then we have petals, which are also represented as capital C because they have another name such as corolla. So C is there. Corolla or petals are also 5 in number, so we'll write 5. But they are not united, they are not fused with each other, they are present freely, they are present separately. So we are not going to make any bracket over this 5. Then we are moving towards A, that means androecium. Androecium is another name for stamen, that means for male reproductive part. They are also 5 in number. Androecium or stamens are also 5 in number, but they are free. They are not fused with each other. So we are not going to make bracket over this 5 also. Then last we have gynoecium. That means carpels or pistil, which are 2 in number. So we are going to write 2, right? They're 2 in number and they are having superior ovary. So we'll underline this. So this is a complete formula. This is a complete floral formula according to this question, and with this we have completed the solution for this question.